quick video to show you how I put in my parsnips when they're in toilet roll tubes. There you go, nice leaves on them now. I literally, you'll have to excuse me, but I'm doing this one-handed. Just make a hole in. I'm not putting them really far apart, I'm not expecting massive ones. Right. Dig a hole. Excuse the shakiness. Yeah. No taproot coming through yet, which is good. Place it in the hole. I say I'm placing them about 1.5 inches apart. Hopefully you can see it's very sunny here today. Then literally just gently push all the soil back round. Easy as that. Here we go. Can't see the camera properly. Oh. Well, he's happy that we cut the grass. Friday the 6th of May. It's very hot out now. Summer's definitely on its way. I don't be in the greenhouse for too long. It is absolutely boiling in there. Anyway, today I'm doing the edges of the beds, making them a little bit neater. I've put underneath the green cage there. Oh, steady myself. Underneath the green cage there is the cauliflower and the cabbage. They're not actually in the ground, they're just still in the pots on gravel boards underneath there. That will get a nice bit of air. Wait until the ground is ready for it, and then they'll go in hopefully this weekend. What else am I doing today? I'm going to put my shallots out. I'll just extend this. My shallots in now. I'm going to put them out today. And then I've got some more seeds there that I'm going to sow. Other things I'm going to sow apart from the shallots are some blue lake climbing beans and some spring onions. They're for his nibs. The spring onions, I don't eat them. The kids pick at them now and again. So I'll also put some calendula out in my containers that are just down there. There you go, there's lilies there going on really well. The bluebells slowly coming to an end. Some more lilies and aquilegia. There's my mint. Cosmos in the orange one now, and aquilegia in that final green one, which is starting to bud up now. Oh. So I'm sorry about that little. Sorry if you get a little bit seasick. Get a bit seasick. Radishes are coming to an end. He's going to munch on them a bit later for his dinner, so I'll have that container free to do him some more. And these are our spare cabbages and cauliflowers. I've had to take them out because the sun's definitely getting to them now. The leaves are starting to turn a funny colour. So anyway, I'll get on with my day. Hello YouTubers, 16th of May. We haven't done a plot tour for a while. Haven't really done a video for a while because we didn't have any internet. But we are back. Normal service will resume. I've got some videos I'm going to splice onto this, so I'll do that first. But anyway, here's the little plot tour. We've got a lot to do. Anyway, sunflowers there. Looking a bit weak because we haven't been down to water, so we've just watered those. I've got some Aquilegia coming up finally. So there you go, Jim. Your Aquilegia's coming up. The sweet peas definitely got to go out now. Lettuce, I've transplanted some. They're in the greenhouse. The beetroots are now ready to go out. The swede have suffered a little bit. Hopefully they'll come back and they'll go out soon. These are some pumpkins. These aren't the competition ones. These are just ones that I did before the competition. Well, the challenge sort of thing. These are all Connecticut field pumpkins. Kale's got to be potted on now. So, right, let's come out of here. And I'll do the onions in a second. Let's do the greenhouse first. Let's do down here first. That's what we've got left of cauliflowers. Broad beans are looking sorry for themselves. They've got to go out. We've got one Jerusalem artichoke coming up there. These are all there's my carnation cuttings, my lavender cuttings, and the others are butternut squash and courgette. They're ready to go out now. Mr. Man's in there watering. Don't know what he's doing.
Try to get this fucking thing on there properly.
It was on there properly.
Not very level.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Try to water it. Fucking just...
Alright. Right, in the greenhouse. There's the yucca coming up. I did them late, so but they're all coming up now. Well, most of them are. The calendula's they're still got to go out somewhere. I've got to find space for them. There's the yacon. Some more radishes. Leeks are coming up pretty well now. They're doing a little bit better. Melons, lost one now. Looks like we're going to have two. Tomatoes, they definitely needed watering. They've now been watered. Aubergines. There's my other sunflowers that I'm doing for the competition. Got some sage there. More tomatoes. Another pumpkin. But that's not going anywhere. Those ones aren't going anywhere either, but ready? Da, da, da. This one is a Dill's Atlantic Giant and it's for the competition challenge thing. So there you go, got one up. Peppers, chili peppers here. Got given a load of these. These are sweet peppers. Some more pumpkins. It looks like we're going to be giving some away because we've got way too many. Cucumbers there. Runner beans are coming up. Here we go, runner beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 at the moment. Hopefully some more will come up. There's our sweet corn. No misfires at all, which is good. I think we had 36, so there's a second sowing of shallots coming up. Spring onions there, slowly coming up. My onions there. Around here, pak choy. This one's a pak choy. And we've got basil, and now we've got some coriander coming up as well. Some more chili peppers under there. And our lettuces there, they've just been watered, that's why they look flat. So, other changes outside, we've got the cabbage and cauliflower in, all in under net. They're doing really well. All around here and all down here, they're doing really well. Shallots there need a good weeding, but one lot are in. That's our onions. Over here, using the fish tank as a parsnip bed this year. They're all in and looking pretty good. Looks like we might have lost that one there though. But they're all in. Got another Jerusalem artichoke up there, which is good. Right, coming down this way. Excuse me. On here we've got our peas up all along there. This is our rigged bit of pea netting all the way along. It's some old fencing, some fence posts. Another bit of recycling here. An old Z bed frame used for pea netting. It's doing really well. Strawberries here coming along great. I'm going to have to net them soon. Those strawberries are coming up well as well too, all the way along there. I'll be cutting the middle spike out of these plum trees at some point, hopefully this week, to open them up a little bit. Strawberries coming up really good there. Just the berries. Actually getting some berries on them now. Looks like we're going to have a lot of them. These are the blackberries just starting to blooming now. Gooseberries. That has gone absolutely crazy this year. Yeah, gooseberry. Comfrey's gone crazy. The bees are enjoying it. The red currants there. We've got the blueberries. They've come into flower really nicely. Oh, hello, Mr. Bee. Round this way, the pond. Fountain's not working today because obviously the sun's not out. There's still tadpoles in there. Hopefully you can see them. Got a lot of this blanket weed that we don't want to touch, just in case we pull the tadpoles out, so we're going to leave that in there for now. Right, there's the another yak on there. Let's go on to the potatoes. Did you earth these ones up?
I've earthed all of them up apart from that one.
Right, but they are coming through.
Yeah.
Got a rogue strawberry in there.
There's strawberries in here and all. There's 3 in here.
Rogue strawberries. These have come up. It's just they've been earthed up now. But that one's definitely gone wild. Excuse me. There's the other potatoes. Jerusalem artichoke in there. There's 3 in there. And strawberries. Let's go around to the parsnips and the carrots. Little fairy garden got a weedy. Here we are to the carrots. These are the sweet candles. A little bit patchy, but in all they're doing really well. These are the resistor fly. They're doing really well. And there's our other parsnips. They're doing really, really well. Rhubarb. I could take a couple of stalks off of that, but I'm not going to. But yeah. Round to the tubs. Lilies are coming along really well. Bluebells are dying off now, but I've got that white flower. I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but I'll find out. There's lilies, aquilegia and calendula in there. The lilies have got some buds on now, so it won't be too long for them to show some flowers. And again, touch wood, no lily beetle yet. Mint there is doing really well. Got some cosmos in there and some aquilegia and a calendula in there with the mystery bulb. So that's about all for now. This flower bed is looking a bit yucky now. I'll wait another couple of months until all the leaves and that have died down. Then I'll dig it out and pull all the bulbs out. So there you go, that's all for now. And all's left to say is thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you to all the new subscribers. And we shall see you on the next episode. Bye for now.